Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the ServiceNow Audit Management Workspace. This is a powerful ServiceNow tool for audit designed to help organizations streamline their audit process, improve compliance, and strengthen risk management. Whether you're working in an internal audit, regulatory compliance, or enterprise risk management, ServiceNow provides a centralized platform to plan, track, and manage all your audit activities in one place. If you haven't done so, please don't forget to like and subscribe and join as a member for advanced videos and other member benefits. So here we are in the ServiceNow Audit Management Overview dashboard. So you will see on the left, you'll notice the clean role-based features of ServiceNow, which allows users like the third line audit user, which you are seeing now, to see only the tools and data relevant to a specific role. The dashboard provides an interactive audit timeline showing ongoing audit engagements, while the task panel on the right highlights pending task approvals and overdue audit actions. Key audit metrics such as engagement counts, open findings, and budget utilization are all available in a single point of glass in a single glance, allowing audit managers like you to quickly spot resourcing gaps and prioritize high-risk items. So as we scroll down, you get to explore the ServiceNow Audit Tracking View. This feature organizes your workload into audit tasks, observations, and issues, giving you complete visibility into open items, overdue audits, and risk priority levels. Color-coded charts display audit status by priority, helping audit teams quickly identify critical audit findings and overdue compliance issues. This functionality is invaluable for your audit planning needs, risk-based auditing, and meeting internal audit deadlines. As I scroll down in a single page, ServiceNow has included the best practices for easy access, including the open audit views. These sections allow you to track both audit plans and audit engagements in real time. You can view the state of each audit, remaining budget percentages, and overall progress across to the portfolio of audit. For example, you might see a cybersecurity audit in draft mode alongside multiple in-progress department reviews, helping you monitor audit scope, validating phases, and follow-up activities. By combining all these capabilities on this service audit management workspace, ServiceNow gives you the ability to deliver end-to-end audit lifecycle management. It enables your organization to improve audit efficiency, ensure compliance within your regulatory standards, and strengthen governance and risk oversight, from tracking audit tasks to managing audit budgets and identifying overdue findings. Everything is available in a single unified ServiceNow workspace, making it a must-have for you for any modern audit and compliance team. And let us drill down to one of the engagements. In this view, we're looking at the total open engagements list inside the ServiceNow Audit Management. This list gives auditors like you, compliance officers, and audit managers a centralized place to see all active audit engagements across the organization. Each row represents an individual engagement showing the engagement name, a unique identifier, whether it's an internal audit, operational audit, or an external audit. And the assigned engagement lead shows who is the owner of this specific audit engagement, where each engagement is within the audit lifecycle, such as awaiting approval, follow-up, fieldwork, or validation. And you can find all of this best practices in the out-of-the-box features of the ServiceNow Audit Management workspace. So this view is incredibly useful for quickly assessing the status and workload across the audit portfolio. For example, you can instantly identify engagements that are still in the fieldwork phase, being able to track which ones are moving into validation and spot any that might be stuck without an assigned lead, giving you the ability to support filtering and sorting so you can focus only on high priority audits or those led by specific team members. So on this centralized view, all information is in one place. ServiceNow is making it easier for you to monitor audit progress, manage team assignments, and ensure no engagements falls through the cracks. Now let us drill down to one of the audit engagements as an example. And you can see on the top the name of the audit engagement, which is 2021 Operational Audit inside the ServiceNow Audit Management workspace. The detailed view gives audit teams and managers complete visibility into the engagement scope, timeline, and current status. So at the top, you can see the engagement metadata, including the record type, the assigned engagement leads, the planned start and end dates, and so on. It gives you the ability to track all information into a single view, highlighting the current stage like fieldwork with upcoming phases such as awaiting approval, follow-up, and the close phase, all into a single picture on this audit engagement form. Now, as we scroll down to the timeline section, it provides both planned and actual start and end dates for each stage, helping you track progress and quickly identify any possible delays, allowing you to track budget and completion metrics are all visible into a single place. And key risk indicators like high priority issues or ineffective controls. So as we scroll down further, you will see the tracking part, and this section breaks down the open audit task, observations, and issues on this specific audit engagement. This allows you to see at a glance how many items are pending, overdue, or critical, and ensures that nothing is missed before moving the engagement forward. Now, on this audit engagement page, you will see the different tabs into a single picture, providing you all the relationships in a matter of like a click of a button. And as we drill down to the audit task, this tab for an engagement within ServiceNow Audit Management, this section is where the audit teams can manage and track every task associated with the specific audit engagement, ensuring that all testing, reviews, and validations are completed in time and within budget. Each row in the list represents an individual audit task, showing its task number and the necessary fields and record, giving visibility into the nature of each audit step. One of the things I would like to highlight is the state column, where it clearly indicates whether a task is open, in progress, or closed, giving you the full life cycle and best practices of managing accountability, transparency by identifying the responsible auditor. Having this level of task visibility in ServiceNow Audit Management not only improves audit efficiency, but also strengthens governance and control assurance, making it easier to pass internal reviews and external regulatory inspections. Now let us drill down on one of the audit tasks. In this section, we're diving into a specific control test in ServiceNow Audit Management, where you get to validate change management policy exists. This detailed view is critical for auditors like you and compliance teams because it captures every aspect of the control testing process. And depending on your maturity level, ServiceNow is already providing you all these features and capabilities and easily configurable depending on your needs and processes within your organization. So at the top here, you will see the control test metadata that ensures full traceability from the engagement level down to the individual control test. The details tab that you see on the middle left provides structured sections for the control test itself, from an overview, control test approvals, activities, evidence, and observations, as a mature platform giving you the full confidence on your audit engagements, task, visibility, and also transparency. And as we scroll down, you can drill further into the assignment and schedule data, comparing planned versus actual start and end dates, which is vital for performance tracking and any execution delays. The design test section evaluates whether the control is effectively designed to address the intended risk. So this reusable components documents design expectations, assessment procedures, and results, ensuring the control meets both policy and regulatory requirements, giving you easy access on your design test and reusing them all throughout your audit engagement. Then the operational test gives you the ability to assess whether the control is functioning as intended into the day-to-day operations. So ServiceNow is providing you this level of detailed documentation where organizations like you can maintain a robust audit trail demonstrating compliance during external reviews and ensure that control testing is both repeatable and verifiable. And as we drill down to the indicator results, here we're in the indicator results tab for the control test. Validate change management policy exists, where you can see the title in the top left within the ServiceNow Audit Management. This view is essential, as you can see, from a high-level workspace, drilling down to the indicator results, linking real-world test results directly to the control being evaluated. The table lists each indicator result with a timestamp, the source of the test, the entity it applies to, and of course, the desired outcome. So this results has full integration, were generated from vulnerability scanners and penetration testing tools in relation to the zero online banking entity, providing direct evidence that the control is not performing as intended. And as we navigate back to the top of the page, you will see easily we can go back with the click of a button, going back to the engagement overview from a low level, going back to the high level view, providing a clear snapshot of the audit's current progress. By consolidating this information into one page, ServiceNow Audit Management helps auditors, managers, and compliance officers monitor progress and ensure alignment with regulatory frameworks and maintain visibility into critical audit milestones. So if you haven't done so, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you find value to my presentation, please join as a member for advanced viewing of the GRC videos and to further support my channel to keep the videos coming. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.